Start. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good. I'm
Fine.
good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Just a second. Have I admitted all of you? Just let me see.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now I will be just starting. So all of you have you practiced all the pronunciations and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm sharing the screen with you. On 7th December, I want all the test which I have given you. Please submit it to me. All the recordings, pronunciation. See, yesterday we were doing this. How do you say my name is in French?
Je m'appelle.
Je. Instead of je, try to say je. 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 Lata Ramesh, can you pronounce je m'appelle?
Je m'appelle.
Instead of je, always try to pronounce je. Je.
Je.
Je m'appelle. Je
Je
m'appelle.
m'appelle. Je
Okay.
m'appelle.
Now, I am a schoolboy. See, for schoolboy, we say, Abhi, I'm not teaching, as of now, I'm teaching you just how to say schoolboy. I am a schoolboy, I will teach you later. So, schoolboy is called écolier. Écolier.
Écolier.
Écolier. And schoolgirl is called écolière. Écolière.
Écolier.
Écolière. So now first who will pronounce? Maheshwari, can you pronounce écolier? Écolier.
Écolier. Écolier.
Again,
Écolier.
very good.
Écolier.
Very good. So this is for schoolboy. And now schoolgirl is pronounced as écolière. Écolière.
Écolier. Écolier.
Écolière. Arun Pandian, can you pronounce écolière?
Écolier.
Écolière for schoolgirl now.
Écolier.
Écolière.
Écolier.
Écolière.
Écolier.
Very good. Now see. Je suis écolier. This is the spelling for the schoolboy. And for the schoolgirl, it is Je suis écolière. This is left hand side means it's coming, so it's écolière. So for school girl, this is the spelling, and for school boy, this is the spelling. That's why there's a difference in pronunciation. Now, if you have to say I am a schoolboy, you will say je suis. First try saying je suis écolier. Écolier. Je suis écolier. Can you say je suis écolier?
Je suis écolier.
Okay. Devi,
Je suis écolier.
very good. Devi, can you pronounce je suis écolier?
Je fus écolier.
Je suis,
Je suis.
suis,
Suis. Suis.
suis. Yeah, je suis écolier, écolier. And now how will you pronounce I am a school girl? Devi Shri, can you pronounce I am a school girl? Je suis écolier. Je suis écolier.
Je suis écolier.
Very good. Je suis écolier. Now I will tell you how to pronounce. At now, at present, I told you how to pronounce je suis écolier. Now I am telling you to pronounce it as je suis écolier. It should be the Z sound. Z sound, because here this écolier begins with a vowel. So you have to say je suis. So you have to link the word and say je suis écolier.
Je suis écolier.
Very good. And here I am a school girl. Je suis écolière.
Je suis écolier.
Écolière.
Écolier.
Écolière. Like the way you say mère, père. The same way you will say écolière. Okay?
Écolier.
Very good. Now I am Indian. If it's a male, you will say je suis indien. Je suis indien.
Je suis indien.
Very good. You don't je suis indien again.
Je suis indien.
Very good. And now if it's a female, you will say je suis indienne. Je suis indienne.
Je suis indien.
Indienne. In is pronounced as indienne. Indienne.
Indien.
Je suis indienne. Primary coordinator. Primary coordinator, can you pronounce je suis indienne? Je suis indienne. Devi, can you pronounce je suis indienne?
Jesus Gandhi. Jesus Gandhi.
It's not Suze, it is Suisse. Suisse indienne. Yeah, Suisse.
Jesus Gandhi. Jesus Gandhi.
Indienne.
Andean. Andean.
Very good. Indienne. Je suis indien. Je suis indienne.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Please admit the tab course and Priya line and line.
That means Bhuvaneshwari ID, ma'am.
Just a
Bhuvaneshwari
second.
also. Bhuvaneshwari also.
Bhuvaneshwari ID is for Priya, ma'am.
Let me see it. Yeah, Bhuvaneshwari. Only Bhuvaneshwari was in the waiting room.
Now only.
Yeah. Now, did anyone left?
Admit the tab course.
Ma'am, please submit the tab course, ma'am.
Okay. Just a second. Yeah, now has everybody admitted? Yeah, so where was I?
Thank you.
So how do you pronounce I am 4 years old in French? J'ai 4 ans. J'ai 4 ans. J'ai 4 ans. Devishri, can you pronounce j'ai 4 ans?
J'ai 4
On.
ans.
On. This is the
On.
nasal sound. So that's why it is on.
On.
Very good. J'ai 4 ans. Again.
J'ai 4 ans.
On.
On.
Nasal sound. You don't have to pronounce the S. N will be the nasal sound. On. And 4 is, you all know that 4 is 4. That is why we are saying, j'ai 4 ans. I am 4 years. Okay. Any confusion? Tab codes, can you pronounce j'ai 4 ans?
J'ai 4 ans.
Very good. Now, how will you pronounce I live in France? J'habite en France. J'habite en France. J'habite. Lata Ramesh, can you pronounce j'habite en France?
J'habite au front.
Very good. J'habite en France. 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 Sita, can you pronounce j'habite en France?
J'habite au France.
France. Not France, it is France.
France.
France. Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce j'habite en France?
J'habite en France.
It is France, not A-N. F-R-A-N. A-N will be pronounced as on. France. J'habite en France. Again. Again, how will you pronounce j'habite en France? Anybody?
J'habite en France. France.
Very good.
J'habite en France.
En France. Now we will do parts of the human body. Les parties du corps humain. Les parties du corps humain. Can you say les parties? Parts of the human body are called les parties du corps humain. Tap course, can you pronounce les parties du corps humain?
Les parties du corps humain.
Very good. Les parties du corps humain.
Les
Humain.
parties du corps humain.
Now what is this?
And
Here is called cheveux in French. Here is called cheveux. 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 CH is pronounced as sh. So cheveux. Cheveux. Maheshwari, can you pronounce cheveux?
Shower.
Very good. Very good.
Shower.
And what's this?
yeah.
Ear. Ear is pronounced as oreille. Oreille.
Alright.
Orai.
Alright. Alright.
Lata Ramesh, primary coordinator. Can you pronounce Orai?
Alright.
Sorai.
Very good.
Sorai.
Orai. Sorai, it is Orai. Orai.
Alright.
Borai.
Orai. Now
Orai.
this
Borai.
is
No.
nose. So nose is
Nose.
pronounced as ne. Ne, French. Ne. Ne. Can you say ne, all of you?
Knee.
Ne. Sita, can you pronounce ne?
Knee.
Very good.
Knee.
Hmm. What's this? This is mouth. So mouth is pronounced as bouche. See, it is CH, so we are saying bouche. 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 Very good, all of you. Yes. Bouche. This is stomach. Yes. The stomach is pronounced. Oh, sorry. Stomach is pronounced as ventre. Can you see ventre? Ventre. Ventre. Yes. Good. Very good. Now, what are these? Fingers. Fingers are pronounced as dua. 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 Spelling is this, but you pronounce it as dua. Dua. Very good. And now this one. Head. This one, this is pronounced as head. This is head. So how do you pronounce head? Head. Tet. Devishri, can you pronounce tet?
Tet.
Very good. Tet. Tap codes, can you pronounce tet? Now what's this? Eyes. How do you pronounce eyes? Eyes are called je. 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 They like in your book. I will just omit the. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah. Like the way you say yummy in English. So only the yeah sound. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Now what's this? This is one eye. Like eyes are called in the previous one. Just eyes, both the eyes are called ear. And if there's only one eye, then it is called eye. Eye. Very good. I, not L. You have to, I till I you have to pronounce. Bhuvneshwari, you pronounce I.
I.
Very good. Now, what's this? These are teeth. Tooth is called don. 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 Devishri, can you pronounce don? Very good. Lata Ramesh, can you pronounce do?
Do.
Yes. This is chest. So chest is called poitrine. Poitrine. How do you pronounce? I will pronounce it again. Poitrine. Poitrine. Primary coordinator, can you pronounce poitrine?
Poitrine.
Yeah, the T sound should not be there. It should be poitrine. 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 Poitrine.
In sound வரக்கூடாது.
Yeah, it's the T sound should not be there. It should be poitrine. And this is the whole, this is the hand. So how we pronounce it as ma. 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 Very good. Ma. And this is leg. Leg is called jamb. 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 Again, jamb. Devishri, can you pronounce jamb?
Jom.
Very good. Sita, can you pronounce jamb?
Jom.
Jamb. Okay. Now this is foot. So this is pronounced as PA. 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 Very good. PA. PA. So now we will do one song. Just listen and entertain yourself, even if you don't understand it. Just a second. Alouette, jaunt, alouette, jaunty alouette, alouette, je te plumerai. Je te plumerai la tête, je te plumerai la tête, et la tête, et la tête. Alouette, alouette, oh, alouette, gentille alouette. Alouette, je te plumerai. Je te plumerai les yeux, je te plumerai les yeux, et les yeux, et les yeux. Alouette, alouette, oh, alouette, gentille alouette, alouette, je te plumerai. Je te plumerai le cou, je te plumerai le cou, et le cou, et le cou, et les yeux, et les yeux, et la tête, et la tête. Oh, alouette, gentille alouette, alouette, je te plumerai. So, could you understand something? That alouette is a bird, okay? And could you understand this action of mine? What is this? Head. Yes. And this? Eyes. Yes. And this? Neck. Coo. So this way you can teach the children, the student songs. Through songs, they will be better be able to understand the body part. Because you have to make the class interesting for them so that they don't lose interest. Okay? Because music stays with songs stay with students for a longer time. Now I will do now we will do the counting. Okay, now who will tell me the numbers? Bhuvneshwari, can you count till 1 to 10 in French? You've already done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Very good. I'm very impressed. And Devishri, can you count from 11 to 20 in French?
Ones, twos,
No,
threes,
no. From 11, I'm saying. What did you say?
one,
No, 11 is, it is ons. Ons.
Oons.
Yes.
moons.
Yes, yes.
One, do's, these,
Ons.
chatters, cars, six,
Con.
desert,
Ka-
desert, desnufza.
You have to practice your pronunciation a lot till from 11 to 20. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Please
Okay, ma'am.
practice properly and record your voice. Maheshwari, can you count till 11 to 20?
Oons, do's, trays, cartoons, cans, this
Yes.
set, this week, this now, wow.
Yeah, you forgot the 16th one. 16th one is says.
Says,
Says. Sees. Okay?
see,
Sees. Now we will do from 20 to 30. Sang, sees. Oh. Yeah. 20 is called as known as va. 20 is pronounced as va. 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 21 is pronounced as va tea. Va tea.
yeah.
Who will pronounce this? Tab codes, can you pronounce va tea? Va tea. The N is a nasal sound in the end. Va tea. Va tea. Yeah, you don't have to pronounce till T. You have to say va. V, like you pronounce it as, you just have to pronounce va. Don't see the last T. You pronounce till va. Va. Yes, va. Very good. Va tea. Va tea. Yes. Yeah, and the 22 is called ad. Ad. Yeah, you don't have to pronounce the T in the end. You have to just say va the. Va the. Like you have to pronounce till VIN, and IN is pronounced as A. So you will say va the. Va the.
The
Primary coordinator, can you pronounce va the?
water,
Very good. Va the. Va the. And 21, how did I teach you? Who will say? Maheshwari, can you pronounce va tea?
what they on,
Yeah, I am
what
saying,
they on,
yeah, again, I will tell
what
you.
they on.
Like this, you have to pronounce till VIN, this word. So till va. IN is pronounced as A. So you say va. Va tea. Va tea. Yes, va tea.
What they on,
Va
what they
tea. 22 is va the, and 23 is va. Till here you pronounce va trua. Va tua. Va tua. Sita, can you pronounce Vatua?
Vatua.
Very good. Devishri, can you pronounce Vatua?
Vatua.
Yes, good. Now, 24 is pronounced as Vakatra. Vakatra.
Vankat.
Very good. 25 now, who will try? Lata, Ramesh, Maheshwari, anybody can try. 25. Vasang. Vasang. Good. Yes. And 26 is pronounced as? How will you pronounce 26? Yes. Very good. Vasis. And 27? Very good. Vaset. 28? Vavit. Vavit. Yes. And 29 will be pronounced as? Vanav. Very good. And 30 will be pronounced as? Achha, I didn't teach you. 30 will be pronounced as Thront. 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 Yes, Thront. Till T you have to pronounce. Thront. Yeah. So you've seen the similarity. In 20, you have to just write Va in the beginning, and then the same things are there like you have done. The, Trua, Kat, Sang, Sees, enough. Okay. So this way 21 becomes Vanya.
forward, man. 10
Okay.
forward. 10, 20, 30, 40. It's
Yeah.
easy for easy learn.
Yeah, it's easy. Then 30 to 40 will be the same way. Tront, you will put Tront, Trontea. 31 will be Trontea. Yes, Trontea. Very good. And the same way till Tron the, Tron Tua. Yes, Tron Sang, Tron Si. So this way you will be able to do. So till 39 I have taught you today. Tront Naf, Tron Sis. And from 40 I will teach you tomorrow. Teach you when we have the next class. Okay. And now we are going to do just a second. Identity. No, this is later. I have to teach you fruits, vegetables and fruits we have done, no?
Yeah, ma'am. You finished that one.
Okay. Now with topic. Okay, so now we do this one. Wazo. Let's do Wazo. Lays Wazo. Lays Wazo. Birds are called Lays Wazo. Can you say? Yeah, lay. First try to say lay Wazo. Wezu. 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 Since there is one S, you say Wezu.
Leozu.
Wezu. Wezu. Like the way you said poetry. The same way. Wezu.
Leozu.
Yes. Now, le wezo, now you have to link the words. Since this word begins with a vowel O. So you have to say les wezo. Les wezo. Can anybody pronounce les wezo? Bhubaneswari? Yes, again. Les wezo. Yes. Now, les wezo, and this bird is eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle is going to be pronounced as aigle. 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 Tap codes, can you pronounce aigle?
Eagle.
Aigle. Arun Pandyan, can you pronounce aigle?
Eagle.
Good. Everyone. Now this bird is ostrich. So it is pronounced as autruche. Autruche. O. AU is, yeah. AU will be pronounced as O. O. And this one will be autruche. U is pronounced as thru. So you will say autruche. 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 Lata Ramesh, can you pronounce autruche? Autruche. Try to pronounce it as like the way you pronounce mu. Truche. Truche. Autruche. Like it is the proper U sound that is in English. U letter sound. Autruche. Okay? Autruche. Yes. And this one is a stork bird's name. And it's called Sigonia. 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 Yes. And this is bow. Corbo. Yes, corbo. Tap codes, can you pronounce corbo? Corbo. Good. And this one is cock. Cock is pronounced as coke. Coke. This is Ona, so it will be pronounced as coke. 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 Okay. This is duck. So it will be pronounced as kanar. Don't pronounce the D. Pronounce it as kanar. Very good. Now, kanar. Now, sorry, time out. There's time out, so I won't be able to tell you.